Essential oxygen. It works, it's clean, it's planet positive. Here's how to use BR Organic Mouthwash. You can enjoy it as a mouthwash or brushing rinse or pre-rinse. No matter how you use the BR Organic Mouthwash, be sure to start your day with the toxic morning mouth protocol. Rather than swallow your bacteria with your first drink of water, spit it out and swish with 1/3 ounce of BR Organic Mouthwash for 1 minute while you do other morning activities. First, shake the bottle. Second, open the cap. Third, squirt about 1/3 ounce in your mouth. Fourth, swish for 1 minute. Fifth, as a mouthwash, spit it out and you're good to go with 100% breath confidence. 5B, as a brushing rinse, brush carefully for 2 minutes with the BR Organic Mouthwash / brushing rinse. 5C, as a pre-rinse, spit out the BR Organic Mouthwash and brush with the BR Organic toothpaste and/or BR Organic tooth polish. Use the BR Organic Mouthwash to refreshingly clean your whole mouth. Essential oxygen. It works, it's clean, it's planet positive.